Determine whether or not the following graphs represent two quantities that are proportional to each other, and explain your reasoning. So, remember, for it to be proportional, it must go through the origin and be a straight line. So this first one, it does go through the origin, and it is a straight line. So this one is proportional. Yes. It meets both of those criteria. Okay, B. This is a straight line, but it does not go through the origin. So no, it doesn't go through the origin. On this one, it goes through the origin, but it does not create a straight line. So it is not proportional. Two, create a table and a graph for the ratios 2 to 22, 3 to 15, and 1 to 11. So we can do 1 and 11, 2 and 22, 3 and 15. So if we go 1, we need to go up to 11, which is in between 10 and 12. For 2, I want to go up to 22. And for 3, we're going to go to 15, which is between 14 and 16. Does the graph show that the quantities are proportional? No, this does not create a straight line. You may also see where people do start with 2 to 22 and then go to 3 to 15 and then back, just so that it's in this order. Either way, it's going to show that it doesn't create a straight line, so you can still get the correct answer either way. On number 3, graph the following tables and identify if the two quantities are proportional to each other on the graph. Explain why or why not. So we need to go to 3, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, and 12, 4. If we are to draw a line through this, it is a straight line that goes through the origin. In B, 1, 4 is our first point. 2, 5 would be our second point. 3, 6. 4, 7. Remember, you start with the x value. You go over first and then up. If we draw a line through it, it is straight, but it won't cross at the origin. It'll cross above the origin. So no, it will not cross the origin.